Divyani. I am a SEO intern in art technology. I have joined my internship in January. So now I have completed my 1.5 month here, and my experience was so good. I am SEO intern, and I have learned so many techniques, tricks, and tools and softwares in SEO like SEO ability, SEMrush, and so many a lot tools. How to use Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and etc. So in SEO, the main thing which is the keyword analysis, and that's the most tedious and difficult part. But the explanation of the sir and other team was so good that it helped me a lot, and it's the easiest. They teach us with the easiest examples, live industrial examples, and with live industrial projects. So that helped me a lot in this internship. Moreover, we have a special hour discussion about the topics like what are the customers needs, and means the customer don't know about the technical part, and so it's a major task of us that how we understand customers need. And we have a daily 1 hour session, and we discuss a lot more aspects about the customers need, about the development part, about the SEO part, and so much more. And this discussion gives me a lot more understanding about the market and customers perspective. As an intern, as an intern and fresher, it's a very good opportunity for me to learn such a perspective from the realistic live examples, and with discussion with our CEO sir Rajesh Patel and the Nihar sir. So that gave me a lot more experience. So my experience was full of excitement and informative. It helped me a lot. Thank you.